So what does this all mean? So for Eugenia, does she even know she's part of a federal class action lawsuit? Does she know that TikTok has 300 plus documents about her? Does she know that the plaintiffs want to depose her? Because yes, my nuggets, she does. In this court document, the plaintiffs say that they want to depose Eugenia Cooney. They want to question her under oath about her relationship with TikTok, about the events they invited her to, about user complaints, about everything. They also want to redepose a TikTok employee whose deposition was apparently left open back in February. I have no doubt that they're probably trying to fight this from happening. I could not possibly imagine Deb wanting this to happen. So for TikTok, this document shows that they are fighting hard to avoid producing more evidence about Eugenia. They're arguing procedure, timing, relevance, anything basically to avoid handing over these documents, because those documents probably show exactly what the plaintiffs are alleging, that TikTok knew her content was harmful, had complaints about it, discussed it internally, and not only did nothing, but actively promoted her, and so therefore making bank off her, right? For the lawsuit, this is huge. If the courts grant the plaintiff's motion and forces TikTok to produce more documents, we might actually get to see internal TikTok communications about Eugenia, the decision-making process about blocking and unblocking her, user complaints about harm to minors that I can only imagine. I know so many people report her. What happened after the collapse, and communications about her office visit. That could be incredibly damaging to TikTok's defense. For Eugenia's ban, I don't think Eugenia is going through a normal appeal process. I don't think this is about strikes expiring after 90 days. I don't think she needs to accept new terms. And in my last video, I mentioned that Jeffree Star said in August that she'd be back in a month. That came and went. Was he making it up? Was he protecting his investment? Did someone tell him and it was wrong? We don't know. But it makes me wonder if maybe they were going through some kind of process in August that they thought would be resolved or hope would be resolved quickly, and it wasn't. I basically think that TikTok's legal team has put a hold on her account while this discovery dispute plays out.